What's going on, guys? So we're gonna do a quick unboxing. I got something there and I'm really excited. Let's check it out. Look at that, guys. Look at what I got. We got a Savage X GT-6. I'm pumped. Here it is, guys. HPI Savage X 4.6 GT6. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Klase makinong. ¿Qué clase maquinón? 4.6. We're gonna be getting this one ready real soon. Look at that suspension. This is a very sexy truck. Look at this. Sick. Let me know what you guys think of the Savage X 4.6 GT6. So far, I've only seen videos of it. Of course, mine is brand new, so I have no experience with it. I cannot, I don't know what to expect. The XL 5.9, that one I've had a blast with, and I'll be doing an honest review of it soon. But while I get that done, we're gonna be working on this one, and it's visibly smaller. Like as soon as I seen it, like it just looks so much smaller than the other one, than the XL. But it looks amazing. It looks amazing. I love it. All right, guys. See you in the comments.